Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds, cancer prevention. Now, let's get something straight right off the bat. There's no magic bullet, no single food that can completely prevent or cure cancer. It's a complex disease with many contributing factors. However, what we eat plays a significant role in our overall health and can absolutely influence our risk. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is consistently linked with better health outcomes, and there's a good reason for that. Fruits are nutritional powerhouses, absolutely packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and a huge array of plant compounds, or phytochemicals, that act as bodyguards for our cells, protecting them from the kind of damage that can lead to chronic diseases, including cancer. Think of your diet as a long-term investment in your health. Every meal is a deposit. While no one food is the secret, building a diet rich in colorful, nutrient-dense foods is one of the best strategies we have for lowering our cancer risk. The American Cancer Society and other major health organizations all recommend a plant-forward diet for this very reason. It's not about restriction or chasing a superfood trend. It's about creating a sustainable, enjoyable eating pattern that floods your body with protective compounds. The vibrant colors in fruits aren't just pretty to look at. They signify a diverse range of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that work together to keep our bodies functioning optimally. So, in today's video, we're going to explore 7 specific fruits that have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties. We'll look at the science, break down the key compounds, and talk about how they might work to protect you. Remember, the goal here is to empower you with information so you can make informed choices for your health. This isn't about guaranteeing you'll never get cancer, but about stacking the odds in your favor by building a stronger, more resilient body. Ready to explore the produce aisle? Let's get into it. First up, we have one of my personal favorites, blueberries. These small berries pack a massive punch when it comes to health benefits. They are famous for their high concentration of antioxidants, particularly a group of flavonoids called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give blueberries their deep, rich blue color. Think of anthocyanins as your cellular security team. They help neutralize unstable molecules called free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress, a type of damage that contributes to aging and a host of diseases, including cancer. When our cells are constantly under attack from oxidative stress, it can damage their DNA, which is a critical step in the development of cancer. The research on blueberries is really promising. Several laboratory and animal studies have suggested that the compounds in blueberries may help slow the growth of cancer cells and even trigger apoptosis, which is essentially programmed cell death for damaged cells. Specifically, research has pointed towards potential protective effects against cancers of the breast, colon, and even oral cancers. While we need more large-scale human trials to confirm these effects definitively, the existing evidence strongly suggests that regularly including blueberries in your diet is a smart move for reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. Plus, they're delicious and easy to add to oatmeal, yogurt, or just eat by the handful. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and while it might be a bit of an oversimplification, there's some real scientific truth behind it. Apples are a fantastic source of various health-promoting compounds. One of the key players here are polyphenols. These are powerful plant-based compounds that act as antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a known driver of many diseases, including cancer, so anything we can do to manage it through our diet is a huge win. Apples contain polyphenols like quercetin and catechin, which are concentrated in the skin, so make sure you eat the whole thing. Just wash it well first. Beyond their antioxidant content, apples are also loaded with dietary fiber. This is crucial for a healthy gut, but it also plays a role in cancer risk reduction, especially for colorectal cancer. The fiber in apples is fermented by beneficial bacteria in your colon, producing compounds like butyrate. Butyrate helps maintain the health of your colon lining and has been shown in studies to have anti-proliferative effects, meaning it can help stop cancer cells from multiplying. The combination of fiber promoting a healthy gut environment and polyphenols reducing inflammation and oxidative stress makes apples a powerful food for potentially lowering your risk of colorectal cancer and supporting overall health. Next, let's talk about grapes. Whether you prefer red, green, or black, these fruits contain a powerhouse compound that has received a lot of attention in the scientific community, Resveratrol. You might have heard of it in relation to red wine, but you can get it directly from the source, the skin of grapes, without the alcohol. Resveratrol is a type of polyphenol that acts as a potent antioxidant. Its primary job in this context is to protect our cellular DNA. Every day, our DNA is under threat from environmental toxins, radiation, and the byproducts of our own metabolism. Resveratrol has been shown to help shield DNA from this damage. The potential benefits don't stop there. In numerous laboratory studies, resveratrol has demonstrated an ability to influence multiple stages of cancer development. It can help inhibit the initiation, promotion, and progression of cancer cells. It's been observed to slow the growth of cancer cells and reduce the formation of tumors in animal models for various cancer types, including skin, breast, and leukemia. While most of this research is preclinical, it points to a strong biological mechanism by which grapes could be protective. Eating whole grapes gives you not just resveratrol, but a whole symphony of other beneficial compounds and fiber that work together. Moving on to another berry that's as healthy as it is delicious: strawberries. These bright red fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is, a well-known antioxidant that supports immune function and protects our cells from free radical damage. But their protective power actually goes much deeper. Like blueberries, strawberries are rich in anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their vibrant color and honestly contribute to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing chronic inflammation is a key strategy in cancer risk reduction, and the compounds in strawberries are just excellent for this. What makes strawberries particularly interesting to researchers, though, is a compound called ellagic acid. This phytochemical has been studied for its ability to act on multiple fronts against cancer. Studies suggest that ellagic acid may help deactivate certain cancer-causing substances, and it also appears to slow the reproduction of cancer cells. Some human studies have linked higher consumption of berries, including strawberries, to a lower risk of certain cancers. For example, research has shown promising connections between strawberry consumption and a reduced risk of esophageal, and in some studies, breast cancer. So, enjoying a bowl of fresh strawberries is really a sweet way to support your body's defenses. Now let's talk about a whole family of fruits: citrus. This includes oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and mandarins. The first thing that probably comes to mind is vitamin C, and for good reason. Citrus fruits are loaded with it, and as we've discussed, this powerful antioxidant is vital for protecting our cells and supporting our immune system. But the benefits of citrus go far beyond just vitamin C. They are also a great source of fiber and a class of compounds called flavonoids, such as hesperetin and naringenin. These flavonoids have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The combination of these compounds seems to be particularly protective for cancers of the digestive tract. Multiple large-scale population studies have found that higher consumption of citrus fruits is associated with a reduced risk of cancers of the esophagus, stomach, and mouth. The theory is that the antioxidants help protect the delicate lining of these organs from damage, while the fiber contributes to a healthy digestive environment overall. Squeezing a lemon into your water, having an orange as a snack, or adding grapefruit to your breakfast are all simple, effective ways to incorporate these protective fruits into your daily routine. Pomegranates are one of the oldest cultivated fruits, and they've been revered for their medicinal properties for centuries. Modern science is now beginning to understand why. These fruits are absolutely bursting with a unique and potent blend of antioxidants, including punicalagins and anthocyanins. In fact, the antioxidant capacity of pomegranate juice has been found to be greater than that of red wine and green tea. These compounds are incredibly effective at reducing inflammation throughout the body, which, as we know, is a major factor in the development of chronic diseases like cancer. The research on pomegranates and cancer is particularly exciting. Laboratory studies have shown that compounds from pomegranates can inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, colon, and lung cancer cells. Some small-scale human trials have also shown promising results, particularly in the context of prostate cancer, where pomegranate juice consumption was linked to a slowing of PSA doubling time, a marker for cancer progression. While much more research is needed, the powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant profile of pomegranates makes them a very strong candidate for a cancer-protective diet. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about cherries, both sweet and tart varieties. Cherries get their beautiful deep red color from, you guessed it, anthocyanins. We've seen these powerful antioxidants in blueberries and strawberries, and they play a similar protective role here. They are fantastic at combating oxidative stress, which is the daily wear and tear on our cells from free radicals. By neutralizing these damaging molecules, the compounds in cherries help maintain cellular integrity and reduce the risk of DNA damage that can initiate the cancer process. Beyond their general antioxidant capabilities, cherries are well known for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. This is why you often hear about tart cherry juice being used by athletes to reduce muscle soreness. This same anti-inflammatory power is what makes them interesting for cancer prevention. Chronic, low-grade inflammation can create an environment in the body where cancer is more likely to thrive. By regularly consuming foods like cherries that help quell this inflammation, you're helping to create a less hospitable environment for cancer cells to develop and grow. Studies, mostly in the lab, have suggested that cherry extracts can inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells. But the overall message is clear. Their ability to reduce both oxidative stress and inflammation makes them a valuable addition to your diet. So there you have it, 7 fruits with some impressive science backing their potential role in a cancer-protective diet. From the anthocyanins in blueberries and cherries to the resveratrol in grapes and the ellagic acid in strawberries, it's clear that these foods are more than just a sweet treat. They are complex packages of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and powerful phytochemicals that work synergistically to protect our bodies. Remember the key takeaway here: no single fruit is a cure, but a diet consistently rich in a variety of these colorful foods can be a powerful tool for supporting your overall health and may help lower your cancer risk. The real magic isn't in one specific fruit, but in the pattern of eating. Think of it as building a team. You want a diverse roster of players, each with unique skills. By eating a rainbow of fruits, blueberries, apples, grapes, citrus, and more, you're providing your body with a wide spectrum of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. This variety ensures your body has all the different tools it needs to fight cellular damage, support a healthy gut, and keep inflammation in check. It's about creating a resilient internal environment that is less susceptible to disease. So I encourage you to see your plate as an opportunity to nourish your body and invest in your long-term health. Make it a goal to incorporate a few servings of different colorful fruits into your day. Add them to your breakfast, have them as a snack, or blend them into a smoothie. It's a simple, delicious, and evidence-based strategy you can start using today. As always, stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.